is coming out my speakers. This beat sound fucking crazy though. Yachty was on a tear. Yachty was on a tear. He was just dropping. He didn't even drop a project. He was dropping straight singles, and they were actually fire though. Look at this art font right here. This shit is hard. What the fuck? I actually fuck with this heavy. It's like carpets, but they're letters. The World. Directed by Sebastian. If it's not directed by Cole Bennett, then who really did it? Right? Right or wrong, chat? Ooh. Them Chrome Forces, oh my...
You got me fucked up.
Wait, chat. Before it even start. First off, Chrome Forces is crazy. What he doing with the fake? I done probably... Nah. I ain't gonna get on for it. That's like his friend's money.
Where I been. They hoe been a bitch up. Superman off these tens. A cup ain't never been cut. My bitch don't need no friends.
Holy.
Niggas don't hush. They tend over these hoes. My car is game elite. Ain't never had to step on no stove. 2 R's back to back.
Dude, I always fucked with Yachty like style, bro. Like, look at his crib. He first off, he got oh my. Bro, look at this M&M's, bro. And then he got, oh my, dude, this decoration is just dead heat, bro. Like, what the, he got a big ass promethazine, he got motherfucking coke, oh my, that shit is hard.
Rars back to back, had a Rolls Royce sitting on foes. Bitch act like shit exotic, how you Mexican, take it the most. Been trying to make a buck stretch, before I played in the pros. Before I had strikes in my name, some way I could stretch out the dough. I ain't never saw no dough, all of my hoes is cold. Ain't no way that he capping the hoes, these new niggas getting bold. I gave my big dog 20 to life on God, that hurt my soul. To all my dogs, we never play Texas, holding them, we don't fold. Inside of my Maybach snow. I can't call a nigga my brother. He ain't seen me at my lowest. These hoes come around, y'all boys lose focus.
He got every look. He got every LV fucking bag, bro. Holy shit.
Cause look, since to the spokesman. And I keep fighting like Earthwind. Fuck wrong with these niggas, keep joking. He poking his chest, he rehearsed it. Well, send me this side, trouble no purchase. One of my only friends who rap, the other boys bogus. These saying sat in cell so long, just looking in his eyes with soldiers. Me effing in eyes with tips in the state.
Straight bags on boy.
Put a bad bitch on the Tesla. We call them Spanish, they don't stop rolling. I took the walk all around the world on God, it wasn't just Poland.
He said, I took the walk all around the world, it wasn't just Poland. Oh, wait, was that a bar? He said, I took the walk everywhere around the world, it wasn't just Poland.
It wasn't just Poland.
Oh!
They don't stop rolling. I took the walk all around the world on God, it wasn't just Poland.
That might have been a bar, chat. What? Wait, is this nigga a real sipper? Oh, nah. Oh my. Like, actually goodness, bro. Nah, chat. Fuck. Yo, can I send? I think you can. What you trying to send me though? What you trying to? Let me know what you trying to send me first. That's what I'm trying to say. Holy fuck. All right, send me the link or go to the cord or go to the Discord and send it in the chat. I took the what all around world. Yeah, it was just Poland. All right, I'm gonna check that shit right after this. Late night when I sell my soul. Now 300 bottles of lean is crazy, chat. I don't like he a real ass simple. I don't even know what to say to that. This shit's a fucking lifestyle for bro. Genuinely. Chat, don't sip lean, bro. It may taste good, but I feel like this would have been a fire Lucky song. Got a warehouse in this school.
And ever. Fucking ever.
That shit hard as fuck. That shit's hard as a bitch. Holy.
She's going forever and for fucking ever.
Ever and for fucking ever, chat. Ever and for fucking ever, chat. Alright, let me check out this nigga shit. Ever and for fucking ever. Just to put you on.
What's changed with Eric Hovde's hardline
That's
stance
not
against
bro.
abortion?
Alright, he might actually put me on chat. I don't know how to say this name. Iyazi. I keep seeing him in like the underground. In the underground shit, I keep hearing his name, I keep seeing his name, but I never got around to check.